Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. The universe and all that exists within it are manifestations of vibratory energy in constant motion. Solidity is an illusion, for at the fundamental level, all matter is composed of vibrating energy. Embracing this truth allows us to recognize the ever-changing nature of existence and align ourselves with the dynamic rhythms of the universe. The law of vibration may not be as famous as the law of attraction, however, the law of vibration is the foundation for how the law of attraction works. And to understand the law of vibration, we have to understand that everything in this world is made of energy. The trees, the air you breathe in, your car, the table, your smartphone, animals such as dogs, cats, squirrels, and even your body are made of energies. Quantum physics state that everything in our universe is energy. When you put your body under a giant microscope, you will see that your body is made of cells. And when you further zoom in, you will see that your cells are made of tissues, molecules, and atoms. And when you further zoom in, you will notice that what created atoms and molecules are nothing but energy vibrating at a certain frequency. And yes, everything in this universe is made of energy. And as we all know from science, energy is constantly vibrating at a certain speed and nothing rests. And this is also what the law of vibration states: everything is vibrating and nothing is at rest. Everything you see around you is vibrating at a different frequency, and this is what separated things from what you see, such as animals, people, plants, trees, and so on. The truth is that none of us, including the things around us, are separated. Everything is made of energy, remember? Thus, we are all connected at the lowest and deepest level. For example, a table may look solid and still, but within the table are millions and millions of subatomic particles moving and vibrating with energy. These particles are made of energy that is vibrating at a very fast speed that forms atoms. And atoms will then form molecules, and the millions of molecules will form the solid as what we knew as a table. Our thoughts are energies in vibration too. The law of attraction, which based on the law of vibration, states that we attract what we are sending out to the universe. When we think a certain thought, our brain cells or neurons will vibrate at a certain frequency, and this high-speed energy will attract whatever you send out through your thoughts. When you understand that your thoughts and emotions are energy vibration, law of vibration, and you know that like attracts like, law of attraction, you will appreciate that you can now start to alter and transform your life just by altering your thoughts and emotions, which will ultimately alter the energy vibration within you. The law of vibration states that everything is energy and the energy is vibrating at a certain frequency. Nothing is at rest. And this means that the results you get in your life, the way you are living your life, everything that you achieve, or fail to achieve up to this point is because of your vibration. Most people have no idea how to manifest and achieve their goals and dreams because they do not understand how the law of vibration works. All they understand is that as long as they think about what they want, they will manifest. This is somehow correct according to the law of attraction, but the problem is that the law of attraction is based on the law of vibration. As you choose to happy feelings, more happy feelings will be drawn into your life because you are offering the energy vibration that is in harmony with happy feelings. On the other hand, if you are upset and feeling inferior, you will create more of the same vibration in your life. Your mind is the most powerful tool in this universe because you are able to change and alter the vibration energy through your thoughts and feelings. And when you do that, you will attract and bring forth the energy vibration that is in harmony with your thoughts and feelings. Your thought is where it all begins. As your conscious mind dwells habitually on thoughts of a certain frequency, these become firmly embedded in your subconscious mind. These thoughts will become your dominant vibration. And this dominant vibration sets up a resonance with other similar vibrations and draws them into your life. Meaning to say that it works like a big mirror. You first create the vibration frequency through your mind, feelings and thoughts, and then buzz that frequency out into your surrounding, and whatever that is vibrating in harmony with your frequency will come to you in the forms of things, people, and experiences. Perhaps, the best scientific way to explain how the law of vibration works is through the use of a tuning fork. A tuning fork can serve as a useful illustration of how a vibrating object can produce sound. When you get two tuning forks with the same frequency and hit one with a rubber hammer, it will vibrate and transmit sound waves to its surrounding, which cause the second tuning fork to vibrate and produce the same sound waves. This is also known as a resonance. When you think a certain thought or feel a certain emotion, you are transmitting energy through vibration to your surroundings, and other things, people, and experiences that are vibrating in the same frequency will be attracted to you. This is the same as resonance. The world's famous physicist, Albert Einstein, once coined the words, spooky action at a distance, in which he said that an object can be moved, changed, or otherwise affected without being physically touched by another object. Therefore, whatever energy vibration you send out to the universe, you will attract into your life. This is why people are living the life they are living right now, because of their vibration, or in other words, their thoughts, emotions, feelings, actions, and intention. You can spend all your time and work hard on your goals, but if you do not change the vibration, you will never realize your dreams and manifest your goals. This is why we often experience the "things are not moving in our way" moments. When your energy vibration is not in alignment with what you desire in your life, things will seem to go against you regardless of what you do. You can put in extra hours to work on your dreams, work harder, find ways, learn better strategy, hire more talented people to your company, get better business partners, etc. But if your vibration did not change, you will eventually suffer the same outcomes, which is a business failure. This is why an entrepreneur can fail at a business, and when they start another business, they will experience the same failure. And when they finally get it, they change their vibration in harmony with their goals, they will finally manifest the success results they want. Are you working hard on your goals and are trying your best to manifest your dreams, but you fail to realize them no matter how hard you try? If this is happening to you, you need to change your vibration. You need to create vibrations, thoughts and feelings, that are in harmony with what you want. And when your vibration is in alignment with the order you are placing with the universe, things will come to you automatically, without much effort. Things will become so smooth that you seem to have the Midas touch, and able to turn every business into a successful venture. When this happens, you will be able to manifest your dreams and accomplish all your goals. This is when you will experience the smoothness of life and are living in harmony with what you desire. When it comes to manifesting what you desire, people often make the mistake about the manifesting process and actually aligning your vibration to what they desire. The thing is that dreaming about what you want and knowing exactly what you desire to manifest in life is the easy part. The difficult part is in aligning your vibration with the things that you want to be, do, and have in your life. In other words, it is the effort of adjusting your vibration to match your dreams that you desire that will make the manifestation comes true. There is no point to think about becoming a millionaire all the time without aligning your vibration, because money will not simply fall from the sky. Well, you may actually make the money fall from the sky if your vibration is in alignment with it, but most people do not believe in it, and this is why it is not going to happen. You have to understand that over 90% of the manifesting process is completed by the time you get your vibration activated. This means to say that the vibration element of your wish has already occurred in the non-physical realm, within you. Therefore, your primary focus is to align with your desires so that what you want can appear in your physical reality. Everything happens in the inner world first. Our outer world is a mere echo or the fruits of what has happened in the inner world. Your mission is to maintain that vibration and unlock the desires from their energetic holding space so they can manifest. You need to learn how to close the gap between your intention and the manifestation. Abraham Hicks once said, "The greater part of us is non-physical." This may sound a little confusing, but your goal is to align your vibration with the vibration of the things that you want in your life. When your vibration is in alignment with the things that they want, the universe will deliver it to you. Things will become smooth and come to you. You will feel like you are so lucky and things just come to you without much effort. So how can you do that? Well, to put it in a simple term, you just need to make sure your thoughts and feelings are in harmony with what you want. You need to act as if the things that you want to have already been manifested and you are living them right now. Most people understand their thoughts, but they often forget that their feelings play an important role in the manifestation process too. You need to feel as if your desire has already been manifested. This will close the gap between your inner world and your outer world. In conclusion, the law of vibration reminds us that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration, emitting energy and creating a unique frequency. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions also contribute to this energetic vibration, shaping our experiences and interactions with the world around us. By understanding and aligning ourselves with the law of vibration, we can consciously raise our vibrational frequency, attracting more positive experiences and manifestations into our lives. Through awareness, intention, and mindful practices, We have the power to harness the transformative energy of vibration and create a life filled with harmony, abundance, and joy.